Amazon's currently running their Big Spring Deal event, and there are some awesome deals up for grabs. So first up is this hair dryer that I've had forever. I'm able to blow dry my hair in less than 5 minutes with this thing, and I've had it for years. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend. This is the shampoo and conditioner I swear by. It's great for people with thin hair or thinning hair, but absolutely worth it. So these are what we call in my house loveys. I always have a few on my wrist. And the nice thing is there's so many of them, they're so cheap. I take a lovey and I put so much love into it. Ooh, and then I put it on his wrist and then he can look at it anytime he misses me. Love it. Okay, so once your kids are school age, birthday parties happen just like constantly. So I buy gifts like this wagon and the Nerf gun coming up and just buy them in bulk. And then I have them on hand and those become my gifts that I give out at every birthday party for the next few birthday parties. Super convenient. I highly recommend just having some on hand. Speaking of convenient, this slicer, I use it to cut up mostly onions and then I put them in a container in the freezer, but it saves so much time. And air tags, so you can put one in your car, your suitcase, your purse, your keys, anything that you tend to lose or you want to make sure you keep track of. If you struggle to keep your phone charged, get some of these iPhone cords and then get some of these outlet extenders as well. And you can have charging cables all over your house for super cheap with these deals. Okay, for my fellow DIYers, here's what you need. A carpenter square, absolutely essential. I didn't have one for the first week of my now woodworking career that I've been doing for about 2 weeks now. But super convenient. I'll do another video showing you how I use it, but absolutely love it. Definitely get one. Liquid nails. Love this stuff. I used it for when I was redoing my bathroom and I put down the tiles on the floor before properly cleaning the existing tiles. So they all started peeling up. So I peeled them up, cleaned the floor really well. And then those same tiles I peeled up, I just put Fuse It on the back of them, put them back down because I'd already measured them and cut them and stuff. And they're holding great. It's absolutely fantastic. I just use a screw to close up the Fuse It and then I keep it for the next time I need it. And this is the peel and stick tile I use for my kitchen backsplash. Highly recommend it. Super, super durable and really easy to apply. And then these are the peel and stick tiles I used in my bathroom on the walls, and I also ended up putting it in my kitchen. So all these products are linked in my Amazon storefront, which you can find either in the link in my bio or search for that handy mom on Amazon. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy these deals as much as I do and follow me for more tips.